Greetings one and all. I'm Brian Deal with Remax First right here in Port Ludlow, Washington, and I'm glad you joined me to learn about this exciting listing that I have here on Oak Bay, located just north of Port Ludlow, Washington. This offering consists of 3 parcels, the 2 in the yellow and the 1 in the blue on the plat map that you can see the top left. As you'll see, this is a multifaceted property consisting of the 3 parcels. The 1 in the blue is the cabinet making business and residence. The 2 in the yellow, accessible by Corvus Lane, which is 1 block below Oak Bay Road, are partially developed but unbuilt residential lots. Currently there is power on the site and a well ready to be tapped. There is also a shared drain field available across Corvus Lane right about the corner. So now I'll let you enjoy the flight through the trails. You'll get to see the clearing area, the power stanchion, a little bit of how it fits into the neighborhood and the proximity to Oak Bay Road and Mats Bay. Then we'll fly up and take a look at the 4,600 square foot structure, the property that surrounds it, the gardens, the expansive chicken coop, and give you an idea of what is on the ground here so that you can decide what your highest and best purpose for this beautiful property would be. Out of the trails for a moment. This is the clearing down at the bottom towards the bend in Corvus Lane. There's your power stanchion. Pretty good, well-defined building footprint here. And now we'll zoom down into what is their residence. For the last 30 years, it's been Kristine's Cabinets. There is your chicken coop and extensive chicken run. Go back out over the land. You'll see Oak Bay Road, or Oak Bay itself now showing. It shows you the proximity. It's really a few blocks away. And there is a boat launch at Mats, just down Verner, well within walking distance for most people. If you decided to use it commercially, plenty of parking, huge shop space down below. And as a bonus, there's a climbing wall on the north end of the building and lots of space for growing fruits and vegetables. So there you have it, 7251 Oak Bay Road, 7.9 acres, including a 4,600 foot structure that houses the residence and the shop. Great place for sculptors and artists or cabinet makers. As always, I'm Brian Deal. Thanks for watching.